Ge3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory. How to install Pandas. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library. Pandas is useful to analyze the data. It is very fast, powerful, flexible and easy to use the open source data analysis and manipulation tool. Let's see how to install Pandas and how to execute the Pandas program. Open the web browser, type Python, enter. Welcome to python.org. Click this first link. This window will open. Then click downloads. Here you can get the latest version for Windows. It is 3.10.2. Click this one. The .exe file will be downloaded. Then double click. Here, listen properly. Tick the add Python 3.10 to path. Okay, tick this one and click customize installation. Then you want to check all these things wants to be ticked, selected. That is documentation, pipe, IDLE, Python, test suite, Python launcher. Okay, then click next. Then these wants to be selected. Okay, all the things wants to be selected, all the options. Okay, then click install. Python is installing. Python is installing. After install this Python, then only we can install the Pandas. Pandas is very interesting one. You can use to analyze more data by using the Pandas. So it is installed. Setup was successful. Then click close. After Python install, come to the start and type cmd command prompt. Here type py version. Enter. Then you can know the version of the Python, that is 3.10.2. Okay. Next you want to know the pip version. That is py -m pip version. The pip is a package system which written in Python. It's used to install and manage the software packages. Okay, all the software packages it can manage. So you want to know the pip version, whether it is installed or not. You can see by typing this coding. Okay, next let's install the Pandas. py -m pip install Pandas. Okay, then click enter. So Pandas was installed successfully. Then let's execute one sample Pandas program. Import is a keyword which is used to access the packages. Import Pandas as PD, that is alias name you can give. Instead of Pandas you can type that is a PD. Before that you want to enter into the Python, so that this error came. So type Python, enter. So within this Python only we can do all this program. So now import keyword Pandas as PD. Next k is a variable. Inside the variable I am going to store some data. List is created with some values. Enter. And next one variable. In the variable I am going to store the PD. The alias name of Pandas is taken, that is PD dot series. This is one built-in function which we can get the values in the column wise. For that we use this. Note that S is a capital letter. Then enter. Print res. Then enter. You got the output. 0, 1, 2 is the index. The value is 378. In the column wise, you got the output. The data type is integer. Okay. I hope you all understood how to install Python and how to install Pandas and how to execute the programs inside the Python. Thank you all.